It's hard out here. And you talking about, oh, I'm not a man if I'm going 50-50 with my woman. It's hard, brother. You sitting up here, your nice house, your nice jewelry, nice cars. Oh yeah, man, you gotta do 100%. How? How, brother? If I'm making $14 an hour, what you expect? You know, you still on there. Oh yeah, man, 100%. You're not a man. You're not a man. How? I'm still working. I'm still providing, right? So what makes me not a man? Because I'm going 50-50 with my woman.
You want to know why most men are looking for a 50-50 relationship? It's an insurance policy. It's a guarantee policy. It's a policy that they can depend on. It's like saying that I'm not the only person putting all the work in this relationship. And I don't want to feel like I'm the only person putting the work in this relationship. So I want to go 50-50. Whether it's 50-50 on the bills, 50-50 taking care of the home, or I go out and work and you say I'm going to take care of the home, whatever it is. Let's define that 50-50. 50-50 to men doesn't mean that the man is lazy. It doesn't make the man lazy. It doesn't make the man that he cannot provide. It's an insurance policy to the man. Because when guys get together with a woman and is married and then there's divorce, what do you think what is it that the guy have to deal with in that divorce process? Entitlement. And what does entitlement say? 50-50. So if you're in a relationship where you were not getting 50-50 in that relationship, the woman that you're with wasn't giving 50-50, or the person that you're with wasn't giving 50-50, and now there's divorce and the entitlement kicks in, what are you going to hear? 50-50 split. How are you going to feel splitting something that you put most of your effort in? You got very little contribution from the person that you're with to build this relationship. And now you got to give up 50% of your time, your sweat, your tears, your everything, 50-50 to someone that never helped you build it. How would that make you feel? Think about it for a second right there. You went out, you did all the work, you did everything. All you asked for is this communication, support, and compliance. You didn't receive it. And then when divorce comes, they want 50-50. How do you feel? So guys are tired of this. Guys have realized that, hey, look, man, I want an insurance policy. I want a guarantee. I want to know that we're in this relationship is 50-50. This relationship goes south, it's over. At least I can say we both build this. At least I can say we both build this. So I have no problem knowing that you're getting what you invested in the relationship, which is the way it's supposed to be. If you put nothing in the relationship, you should get nothing out of the relationship. But entitlement doesn't tell you that. When it comes to divorce and you got to deal with entitlement, doesn't tell you you get what you put in. Entitlement tells you you get 50 out of nothing that you put in. That's what entitlement tells you. So a lot of guys, they're like, yo, man, 50-50 is an insurance policy. But if you're not going to put 50 in and you're going to leave with the fact that, oh, I'm a man, I should go out there and sweat and make you happy? Hell no. You ain't going to do that. We ain't going to do that at all. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to tap my drink. I'm going to sip it. I'm going to tell you to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave a comment down below on your thoughts on everything that I just said. Then we're going to sip again. Then we're going to keep watching the video. Let's get into it.